Второй класс, английский язык. Теперь я знаю. Домашнее задание. Страница 96-97. English. Spotlight 2. Now I know. Homework page 96-97. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. 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 I am so glad to meet you. Thank you. I am glad to meet you. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 96. Now I know. Exercise number 1. Поговори со своим одноклассником, используя образец. Where's the teddy bear? It's in the toy box. Once more, please. We must answer exercise number 1. Where's the teddy bear? It's in the toy box. Where's the teddy bear? It's on the bed. Where's the teddy bear? It's under the shelf. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Прочитай предложение и выбери нужное слово. Number 1. She's got fair hair. Number 2. He's got small ears. Number 3. It's got a big nose. Number 4. She's got blue eyes. Exercise number 2. Repeat once more. She's got fair hair. He's got small ears. It's got a big nose. She's got blue eyes. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 97. 97. Exercise number 3. Прочитай слова и подбери соответствующие картинки. Jack in the box, puppet, toy soldier, ballerina. Exercise number 3. The answer. Jack in the box. Letter A. Puppet. D. Toy soldier. C. Ballerina. B. And now we must do exercise number 4. Прочитай предложение и подбери соответствующие картинки. It's got fair hair, it's got a big nose, it's got small ears. Exercise number 4. The answer. Which one is it? A. It's got fair hair. B. It's got small ears. C. It's got a big nose. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.